welcome to your first session. In today's session, we're going to cover, or in this session, we're going to
All right, all right, all right, all right. We're live, we're live. All right, let's see. Yes, Gift, how you doing, my bro? Money day. Money day, money day. Let's see what's on the cards for today. Yeah, I'm good, my bro. How are you? Looking for some serious trades today, man. Some serious executions today. Okay. All good, bro. Just seeing Trump shake the markets, bro. Like, to be honest, I'm not surprised as to how big the moves has been, but it's still been pretty crazy to watch, you know. Sometimes you can't be surprised, but at the same time, it's like, damn, you know, it's been a long time, yeah, bro, since I've seen EU do something like this, right? Like, even NFP doesn't usually create wild candles like this, right? I tell you what, like 5 years ago, 4 years ago, NFP, right, was creating moves like this. But Trump, oof, that Trump effect, boy. That Trump effect. I was looking at gold's price action, you know. Like I didn't really look at gold in the night, but when Trump started speaking, look at these candles. 136 pip. 100 and what's that? Almost whoa, almost 200 pips to the downside, 200 pips back up. Crazy, crazy, honestly. But let's just lock in for a sec, because gold's getting closer and closer to the buy area I'm looking at. I like this price action here as well, because it's like if we start getting a move higher, if we can get a break above any of these highs, that would be good for business. That would be good for business. Today we've got initial jobless claim coming out in 7 minutes as well. Services PMI. Okay, okay. Yeah, we got a few news folders to come out. The only thing that I'm concerned about, yeah, is even yes, I'm trying to buy gold, but the pre-market data on the GDX, look at that gap. Yeah, that's almost a three, like it's down 3%, right? GDX is down 3% pre-market. And with GDX being down so much, I can't lie, boys, gold might just keep slapping lower. I'll be completely honest with you. So we'll have to be very careful with this buy, or if we do get into this buy, we'll just have to slowly buy first, like just buy slowly to begin with. And as market is giving us more confirmations, then we can start to ramp up the longs. But for the time being, just gotta take it easy, man. Because like right now we are in the setup, yeah. We are in the setup for a long, about a 70 pip. Let's say about an 80 pip SL, yeah. Rich says I'm looking at 30, 80 area. Yeah, we're getting closer and closer. There's a few candles inside of here, to be honest, that you can play, we can work with, which is not ideal, to be honest with you. Right, we got that hourly candle. Look, here's the thing, right? If we just play this simply and wait for confirmation for a long, right? We just need to see this high get broken. If we can get this high broken, yeah? If we can get price pushing above this high, I'm sure we can get a pullback to then go long. Right? We can look for a break of structure before we actually enter this. Because shorts from, earlier on today, it's been quite smooth. Okay, so gold just pushed through. Let's push through, tap the half-hour candle. We've got 4 minutes, 4 minutes till this news release comes out. I do think we should probably start buying gold from here, just slowly. There's a lot of areas, right, inside of here. And when I look at the hourly candle, yeah, the hourly time frame, looking at this hourly candle here, okay, and I look for the halfway point. All right, 50% is about here. This is heavy, man. This is very, very heavy. This candle is looking insane. I'll be honest with you. The way how this daily candle was printed and how we formed the high of the day, this looks like a liquidity sweep to then just literally drop lower. It looks like we're probably not gonna get all-time highs. It doesn't look like we're gonna get a new high. It does look like we're probably gonna pull back maybe tomorrow and then continue lower. I wouldn't be surprised if tomorrow's NFP actually gives the dollar some strength. I don't think tomorrow's NFP will just keep slapping the market down. It is treacherous in the markets, bro. It is 100% treacherous, but we will get something. We will get something out of this. Hmm. I do think this is not a bad area to start buying from. The only problem right now, or potential issue, is the initial jobless claims, which has just come out better than expected. Not seeing much from the dollar. I'm gonna buy gold slowly, guys. Minimal risk, because it's definitely looking treacherous, just like Gift said. I mean, this is a 90 pip potential stop. It's techie. It's very, very techie right now. I hope people are not burning themselves out. I know days like this, a lot of people are probably scalping, buying price as it's pushing up, selling price as it's pushing down. Like, and this pre-market data is, yeah, I don't like it at all, man. I don't like it at all. I'm gonna enter a small buy for gold. I'm gonna put my stop at that hourly candles low, since we're in and around the 50% mark. Now this is going to be an execution trade. Yeah, literally zero reaction to the news. That's true, Gift. Very, very true. I think market is exhausted, man. No reaction whatsoever. That is very true. Jobless claims was better than expected. Yeah, it's better than expected, even better than the previous data as well. So that's interesting. I know my people that are scalping gold, shorting the hell out of it, are loving life right now. I know they are. If we don't get a hold here, this is gonna be a bloodbath. Honestly, if gold doesn't hold here, it's going to be an absolute bloodbath. But to be honest, even if gold does slam down, that means we're gonna come back into areas where we can start trading to aim for all-time highs again. And that's good because we can finally, get into some much better price action, some much better trade setups. So I'm not completely mad at it, to be honest with you. But gold is continuing to just drop. Just drop, just drop, just drop. Yeah, market's too heavy. It's too heavy. It's too heavy right now. So I've taken a very small buy, yeah, and I'm covering the low, right? So if we break that hourly candle's low, then we'll have to reassess and maybe potentially look at going short. Because right now we are heavy. Heavy, heavy, heavy. What's EU doing? Oh, please, man. Gold, give me something. Don't be difficult again today. Where you're not gonna give much of a move. Because that's how it's looking like right now. I want to see a bounce from gold, Just a little bounce. Just a little bounce. Market is bleeding. Trust me, bro. Absolutely bleeding. Might have to think about taking some shorts if this doesn't change anytime soon. Yeah, it's heavy. It's heavy. It's dark. It's dark. It's dark. It's dark. Yeah. Yeah, that pre-market. Oof. It's dark, fellas. Let's see if we take out the low. Wow. Like, honestly, I don't think you guys quite understand how monumental of a sell it was from this morning. Like, we're talking 600 pips, 650 pips to the downside. It's dark right now. And gold's not pulling back. And this is the thing, though, when market is pushing up for buys, it tends to be gradual. But when it's a sell, god damn. Joe says, money day, my bro. Gold's been wilding. Trust me. Gold is doing a lot right now. And the thing is, we've still got NFP tomorrow, which is something, I noticed earlier. It's like, bro, we still have NFP to go and markets move so much. Okay, so gold wants to then spike beneath the low and now start pushing up. Gold's volume is crazy right now. To be honest, it's like I would look to take a short, guys, from this 2 minute candle. We can try and take a short and go with the momentum. What do you reckon? Let me know in the chat box. What do you guys reckon? You want to give gold short a chance? Like, I don't think it's the greatest idea, but I also don't think it's the worst idea ever. Because gold's got to be a buy from here, man, or from around here. It's got to pull back at some point, essentially, is what I'm saying. Like, 3-4 hour candles have been pure bearish price action. You don't even know at this point. Because the thing is, yeah, what gold has done just now, ever so slightly, it's just taking out that low. Yeah, ever so slightly, it's taking out those lows there. From taking out that low there, we're getting a reaction. Now, this reaction can now be a reaction to pull back, right? To give us a much better pullback now. To now actually be a much better potential buy. But it could also be a pullback to give us a sell. So what I'm going to do, yeah, I'm going to take another small sell from here, right? We're going to use, I don't know if you guys remember the video that I made on trading news folders or red days. We're going to see if we are onside or offside today. Yeah, so I'm going to set like a little sell limit. Sell limit at that 2 minute candle for gold. Let's say SL 3081. So 3081. Ooh, gold's moving lower. You want to short, and gold doesn't want to play ball. Let's see what EU wants to do at this 5 minute candle here as well. We'll see what it wants to do there. Ah, gold's going, man. Gold's dropping it like it's hot. We might have to just scalp. Just scalp this to hell. To be honest. Okay. I'll just use my high risk account today then, if gold doesn't want to play ball, man. I don't think it's a terrible idea to short gold, man. This volume is very heavy. Dow Jones. Very, very heavy. Spoos. Yeah, it's dark, man. It's dark. GU though looks like it can actually give you a pullback. I just don't want it to be a day like, what was it? Was it Wednesday or was it Tuesday? No, I think it was Tuesday where we didn't really get much, right? We didn't get much of a pullback. It was a pretty lame day, if you will. Let's see what happens with gold, yeah? I don't even know at this point. I felt that gift, man.
My name is Latifa Thompson.
Alright, let's
Lowe.
listen
I'm
to some
39.
music.
I've been with Juniper for 4 months, and I have lost.
See how this plays out. Let me know when gold wants to play ball, guys, yeah. Bro, it's dangerous. I blew my small account. Well, what were you doing? Were you buying? That's crazy, bro. What, did you just blow it now or earlier? Kept buying it thinking it would hit all-time high again. Oof. Earlier, mindset went out the window and started revenge trading. Wise thing was too close. Laptop and go gym. Oh. Yeah, bro. Like, it's, bro, it's actually really difficult because sometimes you can believe in your setup so much, yeah, where you lose sight of the bigger picture. Like on red folder days, yeah, bro, maybe you should go back and watch the video that I released on how to trade news days or news red folder days. Like, you have to start slow. Like, when you've seen like a big day or a big news release, like either on the day or the day after, you have to start slow, bro. Like, buy slowly, sell slowly, and once price goes into your direction or the direction which you're going in, then you ramp it up. Like, let's just say, for example, if it's a small account, you start with a 0.1, yeah? No, 0.1 is too big. 0.01, right? You enter the small buy, see if it went. Like, when did you start entering your buy positions? Was it, you said earlier, I'm guessing it was today, right? In the morning. Was it earlier today in the morning, bro? Yeah, man, about 10:50 in the morning. 10:50, what was price? Okay, so it's around here. So why were you like, why were you buying, bro? Let's talk about it. What was your confluences to buying? Because I don't really see any buys in here. Don't see any buys in here. Tell me, bro, why were you buying? And don't worry, I'm not trying to grill you or whatever, you know? I'm just trying to be someone you can talk to have a reflective moment. Because I don't see any buys in here whatsoever. Like, I would understand, like, if you maybe started buying from down here or down here, then, you know, you took an L and maybe you revenge traded and it's like, okay, cool, I get you. But I don't see, earlier there was no signs of any buys anywhere, especially after 10:50, or maybe you were buying earlier. That's crazy, bro. Okay, we're pushing up a little bit now from gold. We still got quite some time till the stock open. We've just got to wait for that, to be honest. Bro, I can't lie, I'm not even sure what I did there, but at some point I was in profit. I did not close my trade and it reversed. My problem is I didn't change bias whatsoever. I thought with the tariffs and the dollar dropping, gold was going to pump. Was just supposed to sit it out. Yeah, that is a good point, you know. Obviously in the end, you know, you sitting out was probably the best thing to do, but you know, again, you were in profit and you didn't close out, so there's different things to kind of unpack there, yeah, bro. And I would say, just because you see gold, right? Yes, gold or XAU USD is correlated with the dollar, right? It's inversely correlated with the dollar, but you've got to understand that gold is its own asset. Okay, this is something that, you know, for everyone watching this on the replay or whatnot, gold is its own asset. So you've always got to be aware, you know, as you say, Gift, gold be golden. Gold is sometimes going to do its own thing separately to the dollar. You have to understand, right, the understanding behind what gold is in itself as an asset. Yeah, gold is a store of is a store of asset. It's a safe haven, right? So whenever there's turmoil in the markets, gold usually rises. Okay, and again, usually it doesn't mean it always will rise, right? Now, when you look at the backside move, or shall I say the after effect of the move from Trump, you know, releasing his tariffs and whatnot, gold did push up, right? Now, if we're seeing price head to a new all-time highs during after hours trading, and then now we're seeing market slam down, what is this a classic sign of? This is a classic sign of investors taking profits at the highs, right? This is a classic sign of, I'm not sure, let me sell these assets, let me leave it into fiat currencies, right? Into cash. Let me liquidate the assets. The S&P 500 as well. A lot of investors started to sell around like the 6K mark, right? Once market started to drop, they were selling their assets, okay? Right? Of course, they put some of that money into gold for sure, but now this drop that we're getting, right? You've got to understand that the market's trying to feel where it's trying to head to next. Okay, so when there's always a big day or red news, you've just got to take it easy, right? You've got to do it slowly, like slowly but surely. Once you understand, okay, cool, let me find another down day. Yeah, we had a pretty huge down day here. Yeah, we had a pretty huge down day here, right? In this reaction, we see markets slowly come up, drop again. But can you see how long it accumulates? It takes time before it starts rallying again. Yeah? Like, gold is not something where after it's had a huge sell-off, it just recovers straight away. There's usually going to be a slight period of consolidation or reaccumulation, right? Before it reverses. Okay? And right now, with Trump imposing these tariffs here, you kind of got to take a step back and think, right, what's actually going on in the world right now? You right? Do people actually understand what Trump is doing with these tariffs? And no, they don't. You know, the ECB doesn't know what they're doing or how, you know, markets going to react with these tariffs. In England, we don't know what's going to happen with these tariffs. Even Americans don't know what going on for these tariffs. Okay. Oh, by the way, the sell limit here is active, by the way. Again, very small short, guys. Just a very small lot size. Let's just test the waters, see what gold wants to do. Right? So, again, you've kind of got to take your time. Just take your time, bro. Even if it's 0.01s, just take those slowly over time. Because trust me, when market's dropping 650 pips, those 0.01s will add up on all of these pullbacks, and you're adding another 0.01. They will add up, bro. Do you understand? So let's see what this wants to do. Because even us right now, yeah, we tried to go in for a long, right, around here, came down, hit stop, and we gave a very big stop, you know, 80, 90 pips. We've now gotten into a short, right? So let's see if we're going to get stopped out again. And to be honest, it's looking like we probably will, right? But even if I'm getting stopped out or I'm losing these trades, it's not detrimental to the whole cause. It's not a loss, yeah, where it's like, damn, I need my get back. I need to get that back. Do you understand what I'm saying? Because all what it takes, yeah, even this morning or earlier on this afternoon, the shorts were quite clean, right? Once you catch a trend on gold, boy, you're laughing, man. Even point tens can do damage. Point tens can do damage, guys. If you keep stacking point tens, you can do some serious damage. So don't worry, Gift. Keep your chin up, man. I hope the account wasn't too much money, but it's part of the process. You will blow accounts. Just try to learn from it. And sometimes we only learn, or we don't listen. We must feel. You know what I mean? This is looking like it will probably hit stop again. But let's see. Guys, who we got on the stream right now? Are you guys looking at any pairs? Because look, let me tell you, for example, yeah. First time I lost my head today, didn't follow my rules at all. Just glad I didn't open any trades on the FTMO account. All good, bro. Part of the process. Gonna log everything down for today. Sick one, bro. Nice. So right now, what I'm looking for, yeah, if we start to get moved lower from here, what's the range that we're working with? 120 pips. Right? I would not mind stacking some more shorts as this is coming down, even if it's 0.01s as this is coming down. Right? How I like to trade these kind of days, yeah, is let's say we entered some shorts from up here. I was looking at this short earlier, but I didn't take it. Right? Let's say I go in for a short here and I go in for a short here. As soon as price goes into like 10, 20 pip profit, I move my stop to entry. Right? Because if market pulls back or is starting to pull back, I'll just start closing the position, right, into small profits and then take some more sells. Right? What that's basically doing is, as I'm shorting higher and higher, the pullbacks are not going to take out those other positions. So the short that we took up here, hold on, let me turn this music down a bit. The shorts that we took up here, for example, short number 1, yeah, this pullback will not have taken it out. So eventually what you will get is a bunch of short positions that are still open and some that have been closed. But for those kind of scenarios, you've got to be very confident in your bias. Like, you've got to be very confident, like, yeah, the market is definitely coming down, or yeah, it's definitely pushing up. Does that make sense? Yeah. Ritash, what's going on, my bro? To be honest, I want to go long depending on the next 1 hour candle. Okay. So, I believe gold is just about taking us out. And now it wants to drop back into profit. Let's see gold, man. Let's see what you want to do. I've re-entered a small short for gold again. This is the new hourly. So let's see how that plays out. There's a lot of run and stops right now, you know. But I'm sure we'll catch gold at a good time. Because it's like, gold, if you really want to keep selling off, yeah, gold's got to revisit like 30 if it's going to keep shorting. And the thing is, I don't believe gold is just going to keep being a short. Right? Daily, we've pulled back into the daily imbalance there. Right? Now, this is a good area for us to get a little push to the upside. Now, I'm not saying the push to the upside is going to give us all-time highs. Right? It might just be a pullback to then short lower. But I think we're in a decent area to go up. But what I'm going to do is, until I see confirmations of bullish price action, I'm just going to keep shorting gold for now. Yeah. Now, this style or this way that I'm looking at the markets does mean, you know, hitting stop is very likely. Okay. We're going to get a lot of trades that hit break even or hit SL before we actually get the right direction. Okay. We're still trying to see if we are onside or offside. The short that I've taken is now 30 pips and prof. So I've just moved my SL to entry just now. You guys should have heard the gavel go off anyways. Let's see. And I'll be honest with you guys, yeah, we'll probably only see something during New York Exchange open. Like that's all what there is now left, right? We got services PMI, 45 minutes. Was that at 3? No, that's at 2:45. Yeah, we've got services PMI still on its way. So I'm just taking my chances on this little gold short here, guys, yeah? See what we can get. Dollar hasn't really moved or gone anywhere or done anything. Okay, nice move lower. Okay, we're just about touched 45 pips to the downside. $50 pips lower now. The most recent hour candle is literally engulfing the previous hourly candle's low right now. Currently 60 odd pips in prof. I don't think this will sustain, but we could be in an environment where this most recent 15-minute candle engulfs the previous one's low. That is possible. Okay, so 70 pips so far. Let's just see how this plays out. If I start to see a bit too much of a pullback up, I've moved my stop on the M1. I've put it above this candle's high here. Yeah, so my stop is around here-ish. It's just, we're just very heavy to the downside today, you know? Just very, very heavy. I'm here thinking we'll, you know, can look to catch a nice, cheeky little buy, but this is heavy. Heavy, heavy, heavy. Yeah. Heavy. Okay, so right now we're engulfing that 15-minute candle's low. So if we get one more push lower, about 90 pips down so far. Like, there's so many ways you can trade the markets, man. It's beautiful. Honestly, it's beautiful. You know? And I'm glad how I look at the market with the strategies that I use. It allows me to be flexible no matter what the conditions are. You know, I can choose for myself if I want to sit out or I want to participate, or, you know, what entry techniques am I going to use? You know, am I going to market execute? Am I going to use limit orders? Am I going to trade the volume? Like, this is great. It's great. It's great. Let me see what Bitcoin. Yeesh, Bitcoin, man. Talk about zero pullbacks on Bitcoin. That's a heavy sell as well. Looks like Bitcoin loaded up before it just did this most recent drop. I was really looking forward to trading Bitcoin, you know. Look, dollar's pushing down, gold is also pushing down. Just gotta let markets settle, man. Just gotta let markets settle. Alright, taking partials. Cool. Alright, let's see with the next 5-minute candle printing what's gonna do. Right, we've got 10 minutes till this 15-minute candle closes. The ranges are quite big right now on gold. Heavy, heavy, heavy.
Want to spend more time at the wheel? Shopify's tools help you get in front of more customers, like custom email.
On days like this, yeah, I can't lie. You've just got to sit and watch the markets the whole day, right? If the thing is, it's difficult to find an entry, but you will find one. But it's at a period of time where you've stepped away, you're making a drink, or you've said you're done for the day. The end of the day comes, you look at the charts, and you're like, damn, there was a couple of setups in there, you know. Like, oh, I could have taken this pullback. Oh, I could have shorted here. Oh, I could have gone long here. So to avoid that, I mean, for me, I just have a bunch of alerts, right, that I set. Points of interest, areas, etc., etc. So when price pulls back to those areas, I get my little notification, right? And plus, like, my PC is always on TradingView all the time, so it's like I can see what's going on even if I'm doing something else. Forget me. All right, we're taking out that low. You see, remember what I told you was concerning about gold is the pre-market, like how literally how low we are on the pre-market open, right? So it's like buying it was always potentially, you know, worrying. So let's see how that pre-market data opens up. Nice drop. Do I have a re-entry for gold right now? No. I was thinking the same, bro. Today is a day for just watching and not participating. No FOMO. Yeah, because the thing is, you will find nicer price action to trade. You know, when gold was buying up, you know, there was some decent setups inside of all of here. You know, which allowed us to participate in the movement of price. So at the end of the day, you know, I'm kind of happy I was able to catch a little buy on EU yesterday, because this whole week I've taken one trade. One trade? Or did I take? No, I took that short on Tuesday. No, it wasn't Tuesday. Yeah, it was Tuesday. Tuesday afternoon, that hit stop. And then Wednesday afternoon, that half-hour imbalance, the one that I sent in the Discord, that flew to take profit. So I was like, I'm cool. Do you understand? But I still, when the new trading week opens, I look forward to more than just 2 trades. You know what I mean? I look forward to more than just 2 trades because I want to give you guys more trades, But for myself, most of the time it's like recently there's only been like 1 or 2 good trading days in a week, and that's it. Look at that huge pullback. Okay, we might be able to go in for another short. We just gotta wait for the stock open now. But there might be another short coming. Look how that 15-minute candle closed. Nice engulfing candle. Realistically, this should drop again. It should be dropping again, to be honest with you. If I'm looking solely on the 15-minute candle alone, this should drop again. Right? Because price is not literally pushing up, making a green candle, making a bearish engulfing candle, and then the next engulfing all of this. It should be coming down again. Right? Again, it doesn't mean, just because it should be coming down, that it will always come down. Okay? Let's always bear that in mind. So, I can start looking around there for another potential short, Let's see. Could short this again. Just another small one. Nothing too crazy. That's why I took my exit around here. Even though price did drop another, it dropped a lot, long story short. Another almost 100 pips, but it's fine. Okay, price is moving. It's moving. It's moving. Getting another drop. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait this next 8-9 minutes for the stock exchange to happen, NYSE open to happen, and then we can make a decision from there. But so far there's been nothing really concrete. What we've done is we've pretty much volume traded. We've entered off of the volume of the market, had a little scalp, a little 90-100 pip scalp. Prices pulled back. There's another little entry there. You know, it's already started to move, but we'll just take it easy. GDX, whew, this gap is crazy. Honestly, that gap is serious. Okay, so far how the 15-minute candle is printing is good. Like it's highly unlikely that we're gonna get this 15-minute candle engulf the previous engulfing. Nah, that doesn't usually happen. We'll probably get a pullback and a continuation lower, sure, but to engulf it back on the other side doesn't usually happen, to be honest. All right, we're 6 minutes out. 6 minutes out. What's happening, guys? Everyone in the live stream, Money Day, Money Day, Monday. Say hello if you haven't said hello already. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Glad you could all make it. We're watching some, you know, madness from Trump. For those of you that weren't here when the red folder news came out, there was literally no reaction. There was no reaction from initial jobless claims. And usually initial jobless claims definitely gives you a reaction, you know. Initial jobless claims, it usually gives you a reaction. So no reaction whatsoever from initial jobless claims, like as if it just didn't matter. So for now, yeah, guys, our new key high is this 5/15 minute high now, yeah. That's our new key high. So if we're looking to potentially go long, you know, we want to see this key high get taken. I just think this will just keep going down, to be honest. Like I don't see any comeback for gold right now, like at all. I think gold's made its mind up today that, you know, it's just going to be a bearish one. So until we see some significant highs get taken, Ritesh says EU is flying. Yeah, EU has been moving up. To be honest, it's just all dollar related, you know, like that pump up. To be honest, the thing is, we were looking for EU buys, right? But it's safe to say it's a lot more than what we expected, you know. So now on the weekly / monthly, we're at levels where we can actually look, right? We can look for sales, but how market's currently printing will probably break those highs. You know, on the monthly here, we've come to this monthly down candle here. Okay. If I look at this on the monthly, just monthly alone, low, high. This is the most extreme point we can get a high low to get a high high, right? So again, I'm not saying that we won't break this low. Maybe we get just a pullback and then we break the low. But I would want to see a reaction from here. Just a little reaction. It doesn't have to be anything crazy. Just a little reaction. So let's see if we get that. But I doubt it. EU's just looking crazy. Just a little reaction to the downside. Doesn't have to be anything crazy. Okay, 15-minute candle's about to close. Alright, new 15-minute candle opens now. Stock opens here. GDX is open down and is continuing to push down. Let's just give it a second to settle. Wow, we really opened at 43.86, I think it was, on the GDX. I'm looking down here, by the way, guys. Like, this week has just been, like, in terms of actually, you see, the thing with me is I don't mind participating in the market and taking losses and taking wins, and then the week just ends up being like, let's say 1 or 2% down for the week. What I don't like is participating in the market and getting no setups. Like, this week has felt like there's been no setups, right? Or the setups that have been there, they've been too high risk to the point where it's like I can't put down anything sizable, you know. Alright, we're getting a bit of a push to the upside. I'm gonna take a little short again on gold in a second. I'm just watching the GDX right now. Still pushing up. I want to take another short. GDX still pushing. Because like, even if I do enter now, I have to get quite a sizable SL. What do you want to do, GDX? What do you want to do? GDX still pushing up. Just blipped up on GDX as well. Still pushing up. Looks like gold is following the dollar right now. Dollar's pushing up, gold's coming down. I'm just keeping my eye out on the GDX here. It's been solidly pushing. So I'm trying to not get ahead of myself by selling again. GDX is still pumping, now gold's pushing up as well. Getting a pullback here on Bitcoin as well. That is a wicked candle, you know. Straight up there. Okay, let's just give it a second, give it a second. That's why I like to look at the GDX, man. If we just follow the DXY all day long when looking at gold, you will go wrong from time to time. GDX is still pushing up. Gonna have to hold out for this sell for now, guys. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Alright, gold's still on the rise. We're reaching that 15-minute candles high. Looks like we're officially in pullback territory. So now we're fully in pullback territory. Okay. Alright, might be able to take some buys real soon.
faded, but I rock it like a baby in a cold. I put the water in the ocean in the city that I'm from.
All right, big pump up there from gold now. All right, we might be able to get into some buys here, you know. Might be able to get into some buys here. All right, so because we've now taken out this high, what we're gonna do is we're gonna play the reverse of this imbalance, yeah. Now, do I think this is gonna be a huge buy? No. This could be a short-term buy to target the high of this hourly candle, which is 3100. But we do need to see a pullback before that high. Okay. So that's what I'm gonna play for now. If we get a little pullback into here, entries here, right, guys, I can't lie, you have to give it 100 pips. That's just the market conditions right now. Decrease your risk. You just have to give 100 pips. You know, you're seeing us go down, you know, 200, push back up, 300 pips. So your lot sizes will have to definitely get smaller. Right, let's say 100 pip stop. 100 pip stock for a 250 TP, so 2.5 hour. Right, that's the setup, yeah. So again, I'm going to start buying slowly. Once we get a little pullback, see if we can continue to rally. The buys become a little bit more tricky if, okay, market heads into this hourly imbalance. Right, if we don't get that pullback prior to us heading into this hourly imbalance, then that can be a bit of an issue. Okay, you just have to just tread carefully in it. Like it's just tricky right now. You know, because even on the flip side, we've also entered areas where we can take another short once again. Right? Why do I say that? If you head over to the hourly, sorry, to the half hour, we got this imbalance. We've pushed through it. We've now tested it on the opposite end, right? We've also got this half hour candle sitting inside of that imbalance as well. So there's definitely opportunities to go short as well, right? I would recommend everyone just sit this out. It's too much. It's too much. It's too much. There's too much going on. There's too much going on. It's probably best to trade something else. He's not really playing ball right now. If I don't see any improvements by the hour, the close of the hour, I'm gonna end the stream there. What is this? That's a funny little logo. Why is this not opening? Guys, if you're watching the stream right now, welcome to the stream. If you're new, go to the chat box, come say hello, let's have a conversation, introduce yourself. Don't worry, I won't bite. If you guys are enjoying the live stream so far, you can join my Discord for free. Link to the Discord is in the description box down below, where I'll post more of these kind of setups, trade ideas, and more inside of there. Okay, so don't forget, whilst you're down there, drop a like on the live stream. It helps with the YouTube algorithms, you know. We've been making great progress with the subscribers recently. A lot of you new subscribers have come through the live stream, so welcome. If you are new, subscribe. Gold's doing a lot right now. Gold's doing a lot. Gold is definitely doing a lot, guys. We're getting a huge push up now. We got Leo in the chat. What's happening, my bro? How you doing? Trump blew both of my accounts. Crazy. The gift says, you see gold, shake my head. Guys. Wait, Leo, how did Trump blow both of your accounts? Were you trading it live? I thought you guys know better to just sit, like, just turn off the charts. 5% S&P move in 1 day is crazy. Literally, I was saying that earlier. Like, even the after market hours move, like, we never usually get that. Like, after hours, bro. Like, after hours. Right, what's this? 9:30. Like, that's crazy. That's crazy. After hours, moving that much doesn't usually happen. You know, I think we moved 2-3%. You guys are trading, yeah. Leo, I'm pretty sure we all know or accept that you're just a serial gambler. Like, I think you love the thrill. I think you're an adrenaline junkie. Like, you love the feeling it gives you. And you know what? I hear it. I rate it, to be honest. I do hear it. You know, I do hear it. I do hear it, man. It definitely does get like that. But I need to stop to become profitable. That's what's needed, bro. Like, don't get me wrong, yeah? I don't think there's anything wrong with you trading high impact news, but you've got to have a method to your madness. You know, you can't see market dropping down, then enter a sell, then switch, then enter a buy because you see market pushing back up. You actually have to have a method to the madness. You have to. You know? Like, if you guys go back to the video that I posted on how to trade red folder days, it's madness, but there's a method to the madness, right? Watch that video and look for those kind of setups that I was telling you, right? On how to trade red folder days. That video that I posted, see if you can find a setup inside of here using that exact same strategy for red folders. Yeah, go back, watch that video again if you haven't watched that video, and come back to gold right now and see how you could have used that video to catch trades inside of this Trump explosion. Yeah. Like, we're not getting much here, guys, to be honest. And like, the adrenaline junkie in me wants to take a short. I can't lie, guys. I'm looking at this like, I could take a short, you know? I could take a short right here. I could take a short right here, right now. Should I take a short, guys? You guys tell me, I'll take a short or not. But I don't think this is a bad place for a short. Like, if I were to short, I don't think this is a bad place for a short. Even if we give it 100 pip SL. Leo says, please blame me. I know it's dumb as hell. It is what it is, bro. It is what it is. There's no point in dwelling on it. Like, you take losses, you gotta try to, like, your loss recoverability, guys, you just gotta be able to take on the chin and just be like, you know what, tomorrow is a new day. Oof. I think this might drop right here, you know. My spidey senses are tingling. I can't lie, fellas. I want to take a short right here. I'm in. Let me see. Stop. I'm in. Small position though. Let's not get too excited. I'm in. I don't know, man. My spidey senses are tingling. Let's see if I'm right. Let's see if I'm right or I'm wrong, guys, yeah? Oof, GDX is pumping. Yeah, it's not looking good. But I'm not closing. I'm staying in. That's a really wicked recovery from GDX, you know? Like, I haven't seen a gap this big from GDX in a while. Alright, last time we had a gap was like from here to here. That was quite a big gap, but this gap, some up here all the way down here. Anyways, I've taken this short, man. I don't know, my spidey senses are tingling. So I'm taking this a little short, just for fun. I think it's got potential. I might even double down on it. Okay, 30 pips, 35 pips, not bad. Not bad. Yes, sir. Spidey senses were tingling, boys. Well, hey, fellas. Guess my spidey senses were right, you know? I want to see us like just break this low here. About 35 pips in prof right now. But I want to see us break this low. Alright, goals dropped a little bit more now. Alright, so we got 6 minutes to the hour. Guys, if you're watching this live stream right now and you haven't liked the stream, guys, just go like the stream, man. Just like the stream. It's free. Just like the stream. Let's get this channel to 1K subscribers. Yeah? Well, we need to get to 500, but let's get this channel to 1K subscribers. Guys, hit that like button. Yeah? Subscribe if you haven't already as well. I know some of you will be in my Discord and etc, but still haven't subscribed. Like, what's that all about? Spidey senses. Alright, this is potentially make or break. GDX can actually start pumping from here. So let's see if this can actually force gold lower. Getting a drop, man. We're getting a drop. Slow, but we are getting a drop. Alright, 42 pips. We're just flickering. We're currently in S&P short, yeah? Half-hour candle doesn't look too bad. I mean, I don't really see much of a confirmation to be taking a short on the S&P, if I'm being honest with you, Leo. Dow Jones, though. Oops. Yeah, I wouldn't even take a short on this just yet. I'll probably wait for one more pullback on US 30. I wouldn't take a short on NAS either as well. It can still be a short. Maybe you just need a little second more. But if that's your trade, yeah, bro, go for it. You know me, I'm always going to tell you guys, shoot. Shoot. Even me, I want to add to this gold short. I'm just controlling myself to not getting too heavy. Everyone shoot if you haven't taken any shots. Yeah, scared money makes no money. It's that simple. Alright guys, we're 2 minutes. Don't want to get in the fake out. Joe says he's looking for a short too, but waiting for the 4-hour candle to close. You always talk about the 4-hour candle, Joe, don't you? 4-hour candle, don't want to get a fake out. I mean, off of Trump's tariffs alone, like I said yesterday in the Discord, like, stock market should be dropping. The dollar should be dropping as well. So I wouldn't be surprised if we get like a continuation lower today. Ooh, there goes gold. Gold stretching. Go on, gold. Stretch your feet. That's it. Alright, let's see how this hourly candle closes. Yeah. Boy, Spidey senses were on point. We're about 60 pips on my side here. 60 pips here. So I'm about 10 pips behind whatever trading you're saying. Alright, I'm gonna go risk even. Sorry, break even. On the gold trade. That's done. Like maybe I'll think about taking a short on S&P now, but it's not great. I'll be honest with you guys, it's just not great. It's not great at all. Like across the board, really. All right, new hours here. We're getting some nice volume coming in now. Quite a lot of volume, in fact. Quite a lot of volume. Price is pushed all the way back up on gold. GDX is back up. Okay, so GX is continuing to push up. Gold is just following it, to be honest. S&P, if you guys are trading the stock market, I'd give it a second to breathe, man. The only thing that looks good for a short is US 30. That looks pretty decent for a short there. We've already had a little bit of a test. Alright. If you want a more aggressive entry here, if you want a safer entry, I'll put my stop at that high. And target 1 to 2. Alright, if I zoom out a bit more. Yeah, target this low really. We're very close to those 4-hour lows as well. So we'll probably take that out. Yeah, target those lows, those daily lows there. Gold is rallying some more. Okay. That's just taking out my entry. Cool. Yeah, there's a lot going on, man. There's a lot going on, guys, yeah? There's a lot going on. I'm going to close the stream there. I will see you guys in the Discord. And don't worry, man. Remember, it's just the beginning of Q2. And Q2 is is starting off with a bang, with a madness. But nonetheless, we will definitely catch up inside the Discord. Money day, everyone, and thank you for joining. And yeah, got some stuff coming up over the weekend as well. A lot of you guys will be definitely interested in hearing what that is as well. Okay, money day, everyone. Peace.